So what is the Conquer car park deck waterproofing system? Well, put very simply, this is a proven system that we utilise all the way from design through to installation. As you can imagine, waterproofing the concrete itself comes with many benefits. These include obviously being very easy to detail, very easy to install, and also quite cost effective as well. Our car park waterproofing system is designed to be used on a number of different types of designs, including tray decks, double T type construction, hollow core and flat slab. We find the system often being utilised in the likes of transport hubs, commercial centres, apartment builds and a lot of retail car parking as well. Okay, so why we created a system like this? Well, basically when you look at a topical coating type situation, they do tend to wear off after a number of years. So when you take a system like this where the hydrogel is integral to the concrete, it's a permanent reaction that cannot be removed, so it essentially makes the waterproofing system totally permanent. It never needs to be replaced. So some of the main benefits of utilising an integral system like this would have to be obviously being very easy to install, no coatings required as such. Also it's incredibly quick, very easy to detail and set up at a design point of view. Also very safe. But I guess the largest single benefit would be we work from design through to installation, so there's only one point of contact, which is us. And also for a warranty point of view as well, there's no multiple trades on site. So I trust that's been informative, and feel free to get in contact with one of us if you have a project coming up.
Saving the world, one concrete structure at a time. Markham, adding life to concrete.